guys for him.
Let's take a look at this thing. It's like a car, you got to put oil in it every once in a while.
Hey, Michael, you need this piece?
Yes, that'd be useful.
I thought you might need it. Yeah, a clock repairman that makes house calls.
You enjoy it because it's something nobody else does, and there's some pride in doing that, and once you get good at it, you take pride in it.
How his timeless skills help people cherish family treasures. Today at 5:30 on 13 WMAZ News.